Okay, here we are today, and I promise I still remember how to do a video. It's been a while, obviously haven't been able to do any range tests, but there's a very good reason for that. Exhibit A. Yep, that's the field that I normally, well, one of the fields that I normally film at, and it is winter in the Northeast, so that's what it looks like right now. Got a cool giant box of blasters from Dart Zone that I really want to show to you guys, and I will the second the weather gets better, but for now, we have this stuff. And so NFSTRIKE got a hold of me. NFSTRIKE's a company where lots of companies over in China make some really cool stuff for Nerf these days, but it's kind of a pain to shop on Taobao. So they're like, how can we help this get to other markets? And so they list it. So it's one of the websites that you can go buy such things at. And so they wanted to send me some stuff to show off to you guys. So here we have some products, and let's go over them. So start with this big box here from Worker, and let me crack it open. But yeah, Worker has made a lot of really cool stuff for Nerf products, and so what we have here is a, oh, as I'm ripping the plastic, but whatever. Get that out of there, get the box out of here. What we have is a 22 dart extended mag. So this, instead of holding the regular 18 that a Nerf Hasbro mag would hold, you get 22 in this one. And this particular color is the, I don't know how well it's showing up on screen, but the slightly transparent black. So that's handy for when you load your darts in, you'll be able to see how much you have left, but at the same time, then people farther away from you won't be able to get a good shot like you would with a full clear. So I really like these as a compromise between a full clear mag and a black mag. And also, besides having the Worker logo and detailing on there, there's this butt plate on the bottom, which you can, well, this one's brand new, so it's, this is actually exactly the kind of mag I use in HVZ because I like them so much, so it's nice to have another one. But if I can get, there we go. So that slides off, and now it's not in one of these boxes, but Worker also sells a quick pull plate that would slide onto there, which looks something like the bottom of that, but we'll get to this guy in a second. But there you have it, a 22, and let me, for size comparison, it's really, if I line up the bottoms, you can see it's only slightly longer, but gives you another 4 darts. So very cool, love it. Link for this is going to be in the description. I don't know what the price, that's the one thing about NFSTRIKE is they're always putting these products on sale. So I don't want to say a price because it'll be different probably from the time I look it up right now to the time you're clicking on that link. But really good prices for this stuff because in general, like on Amazon, one of these would be like 25 bucks a pop, and that's just highway robbery. So definitely go check that out. But, oh no, I have a bunch of these Hasbro 18s, as you probably do too if you do any amount of nerfing. And it's cool, but kind of would like it to look a little more tactical, like the Worker stuff. So you can get one of these. Now this isn't Worker, this is Men Gun. But so now this is like a rubbery material, and what it's good for is it goes over, this is going to take, oh yeah, this is going to be a pain in the butt to get on, but that's good because that means it's not going to slide right off. But, so this is a slip cover for your Hasbro mags. And so now, oops, still got more to go. Oh, jeez. Especially at the end there. It's a pain in the butt. Oh, nice, and it looks like it's going to hook over the top there to really be secure, maybe. Oh, yeah, definitely does. Whew. There we go, and yeah, as you can see, it hooks over the little nub right there. So it's very securely on. That's not going to go anywhere. And so now you've taken your standard Hasbro 18 mag. You have made it very tactical. You've given it a quick pull. So if you've got it in your mag holder, as I search for words. Just quickly pull that out. Also nice rubbery grip. Give you a bit better hold on it, and yeah, gives them a nice look. These come in a few different colors, so definitely go click the link, check that out. Very neat. Definitely second might get me to actually use the Hasbro ones again, because they function really well, but definitely kind of was sick of the look, and so that's why I'd shifted over to these. But hey, good product from Mingun here. Now we have these smaller worker boxes. So let's go with the smaller one first. Crack this open, as you can already see right here. Preview of what's inside, but what do you know? We have a vertical grip. So now this is designed to work on an actual tack rail, which is another product that they didn't send me any, so I can't show you it on it. But there's a few different modification kits that Worker puts out that changes over standard Nerf rails to the Picatinny rails. And this is designed to work primarily on that. But this can still work on your standard rail if we use it slightly differently. Comes with a Allen wrench to adjust it. Let's chuck that packaging. So I'm going to loosen up our screws here. Get one out. Get the other one out. As you can see, this piece comes fully off, which is why it's able to work. And so now there are two bolts, and they don't quite line up with our Hasbro rail, but if I do, let's have it line up with the front one. So line the hole up with the little dip on the Hasbro rail. Get this piece back on. And now all we're going to do is get that threaded through. Hand tighten it a little bit first. Come in here with the Allen wrench. Get that tightened down. And so now, probably can't get it on camera, but you wouldn't be able to get that second one through anyway because it doesn't line up, so it won't actually go through the hole because the rail's in the way. But you only need the one, and it is very, very secure on there. So it's nice that this is at least a Worker product, well designed to be used with their rails. It will still work on your standard Hasbro rail, so it's cool. Want that vert grip, you can throw it on anything that has the lower attachment and give yourself really nice secure grip. And, well, won't worry about that right now. What we'll do is move on to this last box, which it's got a shipping sticker or something on there, but this took a sneak peek. It's pretty sweet. So what we have is a full set, again, Allen wrench for adjustments, but we have a full set of flip-up sights. So we've got our front reticle, which is adjustable. It's got this, it's very solid, so it's not gonna adjust on you, but it's got this click wheel to move it around to adjust and aim, as well as folds down, so when it's on your rail, it's flat, and then this button right there, flip up, ready to use, very nice. Now, these are designed, again, for the Worker rail, which is like a Picatinny rail, and these, because the sliding piece is the way it's designed, it can't go any smaller like the front grip does. So these will only work on those Worker rails. Again, they didn't send me a Worker rail, so I can't show you on a blaster, sadly. Hopefully in a future package, hint, hint, NFSTRIKE. But so then you have your back sight, again, folds flat, flips up, and is adjustable. It's got, that's one, and then it's got two different reticles that you can swap between, and very adjustable on both sides, so you can change its sighting left to right. So you put it on your blaster, shoots a little to one side. You can account for that on your reticle. And so you just aim straight, and it takes into account how your blaster shoots. Very cool. Sight it in. So I know, for whatever reason, all Nerf blasters seem to have like a little bit of a curve one way or the other, even dart randomness aside. But here's our last one. And at first, I thought this was the goofiest one of the bunch. I mean, it looks goofy. It's a giant ladder sight. Here are the box. Giant ladder sight, and stuff like this would come on the long strike back in the day. There was like a Nerf version of this, and it was just like, why would you ever use this? Well, when you're trying to get the best ranges, obviously angling your shots do get you the best ranges, and so this is how you would be able to sight in. Loosen it up here. Sight in, up and down, because you can move your reticle. Figure out what your optimal range is. Sight it in, so that way when you're aiming, your blaster's already angled for your optimal range. You don't even have to worry about it. You don't have to guess. You just line your target up in the reticle, boom, there you go. And this one, like the others, is a flip up, so there you go. Pretty neat. Again, though, just do keep in mind, if you want to use this reticle set, you do need the worker rail conversion for the top of your blaster. But otherwise, pretty neat. Definitely go check out the link in the video. They've got some nice pictures on the product page of these actually mounted on blasters, so certainly check that out. But there you go. Did not die. I'm still here. Have a day job now that takes up a lot of time and makes it harder for me to put out regular updates. I'm sorry about that. I will try and get better. But there you go. Thank you very much to NFSTRIKE for providing these products for me to show off to you. Hopefully some of them piqued your interest and you'll want to go check those out for yourself. And hopefully we'll be getting more gadgets in to show off to you in the future. But there you go. As always, thanks for watching.